Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect your Steam Deck to the Wi-Fi network. So to do this, you'll need to click on the Steam icon right here. Now navigate to the settings, but my console is locked with a family view, so I need to confirm it first. So let's do that fast. Confirm. Now we should be able to click on the button again and we can see the settings. So enter them, scroll down to the internet. Right here you can see all networks that your Steam Deck found. So select the network you have the password for. For example, I have this one. And now enter the password. Hit enter. And you should connect to your internet network. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.